Alright, so welcome back to DOREEN'S African Experiences. It's been a minute. Now, today we have a site, and the first video, I'm going to give you a series of videos. I have my Ugandan brothers who are doing different work on this site. Some are doing finishing, some are terrazzo, putting terrazzo on the ground, others are putting slates on the walls, others are doing, it's a lot going on. So we are going to break all this work into different bits, considering each of these services is being provided by separate people. Now, today we are going to start with those who are putting up slates on the walls. I'm going to show you their beautiful job. They are so good. They are so good at what they do. I'll be putting their contact in the video as usual. Kindly support them. I know we've covered prices of the slates. If you haven't seen the video on the prices of slates, please go and see it. Please go and see the video. But now I'm going to show you how they put slates on the wall and how much these boys would cost you. I mean, how much they charge. But from what I've gathered, their prices are actually negotiable, all right? Depending on how big your site is or how big your work is, all right? So we're going to do so much on this side. Kindly enjoy the video. This is your girl Doreen. So we are going to start with the slates of their choice. These are the slates they've decided to put on the walls. I've given you prices of slates before, so let's get into it. I show you their job. I show you by the way, they're going to explain to you these things. So this is so this is the raw work. This is exactly what they've been doing this week. All right, so I'm gonna go upstairs and then we're gonna see more of the work. Look at this. This is so neat. They've done it so well. Trust me, this is amazing. The arrangement is so perfect, you know. So this is how you know that somebody knows what they're doing. All these people are service providers. They provide different services, but we are going to handle these services separately. All right? Okay. Onsudia. Konsudia. Jangu. So, these are terrazzo people. They've already laid out their work. We're going to get into that. And then these are doing finishing. I'm also going to get into that. So this is an ongoing site and very good friends. Now we're going up. These are going to be apartments and also space for business as well. Tuliku floor chi. Tuliku no floor. Terrazzo mwemudako. Okay, I'm such a coward. But we're going to show you how they actually put these up. For starters, you need to have electricity on site. Better ganga olinga anakola slates is no asoka kutakawo masanyalaze sicho ne generator kola. Hey, so you need electricity, or if you don't have electricity on site yet, you can get a generator. So this is exactly what he's doing. Ati kino ekisenge musoka kikola ki nga temuna
tukendeza gundi geti y'omusenyu guno gwe tusirisa
mukendeza geji ya musenyu
ofuna bridge ekirira wansi n'osibeemu kati ogenda okusanga geji muno nga musenyu mungi kati nekikubako ono
rough ki rough kati rough gwe muteekako eno mix
n'okendeza ku geji
nolyoka n'osiba saiso slates okay man, this is a very clean job. Mulina experience y'amaanyi mu kintu kino. Omanyi nti omuntu ne waba eri ewala aba already omulimu agulaba nga gunyirira. Kati eno mix mu mixinga muti eno ey'omusenyu.
Kula gaali emu kitundu.
Gaali emu kitundu kasawo. Mu kitundu eyo mugikola mutya nga onagamba nti nyanja
oteekamu emu ya nyanja kitundu kiba kya
plaster okay dang kakati bwe muba omuntu katugambe nga alina kasaiti ke mumucharginga mutya waba ayagadde okuteekamu gana mayinja
akisinziira omumwa gwagwenkana ki
okay, kati kisinziira ku ki amayinja nabayigiriza ebika by'amayinja n'ebbeeyi zaago bazirina kati mbadde sinaba kufuna agakola okitegedde kati bo bino ebirala babimanyi nti bbeeyi yaki bbeeyi y'amayinja ebika by'amayinja bakola ki babimanyi naye kye batamanyi kyekyo kyewandigambye nga encharginga ng'oli abadde ayagala kugagula agateekemu bacharginga batya yeetaaga ki ng'ogyeko amayinja kati tutegede nti yeetaaga amasannyalaze oba engeri ya generator ku ki ku site kati mwe muba mucharginga kale katugambe nti wemuba muchargingire mu square meters mucharginga mutya
tugambye mu saizi yaago
kisinzira ku saizi yaago
kati waliwo buno obutono bwa pinki buno obutini nnyo
mbumanyi
kati busobola kufaanagana bbeeyi
negano
ate waliwo amala aga saizi ng'eno bwete entoneeno gali gayagala gano gokka nago tegasobola kuŋŋanyisa n'ensi bbeeyi
okay kakati gana manene saizi eno oli muyinza mucharginga mutya pa square meter
eba yesatu
esatu pa square meter gye mitwalo esatu omuntu bw'aba agikuwadde pa square meter ng'alina square meters nnyingi tomusalirako esatu muba mumusaliddeko
ati nkugambidde omulimu gwagwenkana ki
kati anti kyova olaba mbadde nsaba
bwongambye nti omulimu nga mungi eguba nga mungi ebeerayisa naye nga guba nga mutono guba guli midi ebeera esatu kitundu
kati omulimu omunene guva mu square meters meka okwambuka waggulu ogwo gugwamu esatu katugambe Baba 100 plus square meters so omuntu asobola sasula 25,000 kati ezo sente waba azikusasudde aba takuliisa kuba kati ebyokusula of course temusula musula naye wemba mugenzi wala musobola osula ku site sikyo oba teyeetaaga naye kwezi sene waba azikuwadde pa square meter aba takuliisa entambula yo buli kimu kiba kikyo material kasitagula material ebisigadde mukwasaganya information ntuufu eyo kakati let me translate for my non-Luganda speaking followers. Now this gentleman, if you are going to Slate over, just a minute, if you are going to Slate over and now nkyana okulinnya wano nze content tumuyigga bubi nnyo Okay, now let me continue translating for you. Then after I'm going to climb down, because I believe I've seen it. Everything else I have to see after I can see from down. I don't have to be up. Now, they've said if you're going to slate over 100 square meters, all right, they can charge you 25,000 Ugandan shillings per square meter. Depending on the size of stones, for these big stones, they will charge you that. But if you're going to, just a minute. But if you are slating this size of stones below 100 square meters, then you will have to pay around 30 to 35,000 Ugandan shillings. But when you pay them this money, keep in mind you are not feeding them, you are not transporting them to work, and of course a site that is finished like this, there is no need for you to house them. They can stay here. That's the beauty of builders. Builders are very humble people. They don't have so many rules. Once your house is done, they can sleep anywhere. As long as there is a roof, they are very comfortable. All right? So that is the beauty of this. Now I'm going to climb down. I can zoom in from down and I'll be able to see what they're doing in a better angle. Me, I'm not climbing there. I'm not trained to climb there. Okay? Now, some of the things according to them that you need to slate your house, you need some cement, you need some sand, and you need water. Of course, you need the slates. You need to have some electricity on site, because when they buy these stones, they have to continue shaping them a little bit more to fit their measurements. All right? What haven't I talked about? Those Mbabuli devil chimu. But we have so much content from this place, Mbabuli. I don't know how we are going to do it, but I want them to give me their number so that I can put it in the video, you know, so that we support them. I know some of you want to slate right now because we just saw a video of slating and many of you said you wanted to slate. So I think I've found you people who can actually slate for you, you know. I can't go work a good day work. And you've heard how they are mixing. They are putting 1 wheelbarrow of lake sand to half a wheelbarrow of plaster sand to 1 bag of cement. Keep in mind that this is for slating. I don't know if they are very particular about the type of cement and sand. Musanyu gwa nyanja chigo mu recommending oba gwonna? Gwonna, okay. Nga kantu kasuddewa soke mala okwekunkumulirako wano. Naye baana mmwe kati aba nataddemu kaakano nkalabi. Mbadde nga mbakabuze. Soko some namba yo. Naye simanyi muyina namba eri ku WhatsApp.
Namba ya WhatsApp.
Jensinga okwagala. Kubanga abantu abasinga abandaba baliko bweru wa ggwanga ate bazimba. Kati bayinza obutasobola kukubira direct. Soma ogenda kuddamu kisome nga ntuse wansi nenjagala nje reflecting mu video. The Ugandan code is +256. Don't forget that. So +256 7 what? 751.
No 54.
Ulira no. Okay, we are repeating. +256 754 31 41 01. Bakuitani. Bakuita. Godfrey. Godfrey Nsubuga. Interesting. I see grinder. Wacho chichi. Nayo grinder nayo yabo buntu.
Kati mabo.
Kati mabo.
Mabo kata.
Mabo kata. Kachanda mulamu.
Yo.
So these gentlemen are good at this. You often ask me, you want people who can help you do certain things. I trust the owner of this place. He has very good taste in workers. Ati nzikiridde wansi mbazoomingireeyo enamba ojja kuddamu ogisome kuba nino gitayipingamu mu video. Kakati sebo gwokola kikino gwokola kikino musooka kusimaasimawo mugenda teeka auditors nja kubalekera enamba yange munkubire olunaku olwo kumakya nga temunateekawo naye ndowooza video party esooka tugenda gishootinga leero then tukole party eyokubiri nga muyiwawo. Kakati andabe bana ba finishing kansooke malirize bano nsooke mala okukkirira enange. This house I believe I will even broker and find you space here if you like. Look at your girl trying to branch into many things, because I do get called to sites often, you know, evaluation, management and stuff like that, advice, but I've never picked interest in trying to broker some of these spaces yet. I actually have people following me who would actually like space. For example, if you're trying to rent, stuff like that. Oh, so let's get a better view. But that's literally the end of the video. I no longer want to elongate these videos. Very talented gentleman, I tell you. Very talented. If you see what I'm seeing, ignore the foot. Yongeza yakagereko. Akoli sakako. Aha. Awo enyini. Akagereke kalungi. Kalungi, tokola nankani. Man, this looks good. Look at that. This is what they call an active site. Yagenza kwekweka. It's the beginning. You go up, you go sideways. You go up. You know? By the way, this is a house built with clay bricks in the foundation. As you can see them, they're still on site. And then the rest of the house was built with 8-inch hollow blocks. They are big like this. These are the ones that were used. See, inside the hollow is not supposed to pass through. Okay, at least that one is a bit reliable. And the compression rate has to be very good. Then we'll still do pavers, man. There is a lot going on here. We'll be doing so much of this. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, isn't this supposed to be the end? Thank you for watching DOREEN'S African Experiences. At least you've seen how these stones are actually put on walls the right way. Naye tewambulidde mukama wange, tewambulidde nti buno obuli pinched buno obuyinja obutono sente ze zimu buli buba mu mmeka? Mitwalo 5 square meter. Almost sente ziwugula buli mu 8 kale. Kati oli bote butambula. Kati oli wabanga ayina square meters zaffe ziri ennyingi ze twayogeddeko tebamusalirako obo tebabusalako. You've heard. So if you're using those pinched stones, the small ones alone, kati nga kano bwe kati kana akali wano wakati kano, this finger size, the size of your finger or slightly bigger, they will charge you 50,000 shillings per square meter to slate for you. But remember, this money comes with everything. You're not feeding them, you're not transporting them, you are not, housing is on you already. But if you're doing this stage, it means you already have some housing available. Then you buy some cement, okay, and make sure they are not mixing these things too much. You've heard how they are mixing. That's the right mix. Kale, thank you for watching DOREEN'S African Experiences. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.